Alright, YouTubers, I'm making a pizza here. Let's see how well this food processor does its job. Well, that looks good. It's a Hamilton Beach food processor that I got. Whew. Yeah, make you shed some tears. Dang. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. And grate some cheese next. There we go. Alright. Wow. Alright, let's see here. Eyes are still watery from that onion. Whoa. Is that gonna fit? Oh, I'll be. Let's see how this works. See if it shreds the cheese or not. Oh, it would help if it's plugged in. Let's see. That might make a difference. Okay. Alrighty. Didn't do too bad. So there'll be a few thick chunks, that's no big deal. Woo. Go Johnny, go. It's my first time using this thing. Woo! Yeah, that saves a lot of work from using a manual cheese grater. Jeez, that works nice. I am impressed. Wow, that was really nice. Okay. Now, that means my stove is heated up, preheated. And, God, I hope this works. Okay, so now, I did pizza dough in the bread maker, in dough setting. And out she comes. Did a little extra flour. Because it's sometimes a little sticky. It's not as bad. It's coming out a lot quicker than it, because I added a little extra flour to it. Alright, good enough for government pay. Put this bad boy somewhere. So, basically, I'm going to just spread this thing out with my hands. This will end up being a thick crust pizza. Good. All right. And get a spoon out. Dang. Phew. Well, that's a tight one. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Before I was using just regular old pizza sauce. No, I wasn't. I was using regular old tomato sauce. And that's my friend what he thought. He said, well, you might want to get a different sauce. So I wasn't going for an exciting sauce. I was just going for, you know, something that resembled a pizza. That would kind of taste good, at least. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, there we go. Well, back of a spoon is usually the best way. Wow, that tastes good. I'm going to go light on the cheese at first and do the toppings, and then take the rest of the cheese and cover the rest of it. That's how, yeah, that's how I like to do it. Plenty of onions. Alright. And meat. Leftover ground beef cooked. I only use like half a pound, and the rest of it I just threw in the freezer. I'll use it later, not let it go away. So this is only just a half pound of meat. God, even that, there's still a lot. Okay. Mushrooms. And this is going in the oven at 350 for a half hour. I guess a slow, subtle cooking, since it's going to be a thicker crust. And one last topping. Pineapples. Oh. Okay. I was drinking the juice out of it. I may not use this whole can, but I will use the rest of the cheese on top of this. That's good enough. Now I'll use the rest of this cheese to cover it. And there you go. I'll catch you guys later.